Great price, nice area, close to train. As title says, nice area, quiet but nearby train, everything within walking distance for comfort and train nearby top travel. Exceptional, no comment. Convenient for going out about 5 minutes to. Exceptional, it is close to the station. We stayed 6 nights. Clean, convenient because it is close to Nippori train station. We found this hotel quickly. There are restaurants nearby. Overall worth it. Great stay, room space is nice for 2 adults. Got room with induction heater, easy to cook. Limited space but suit the affordable price, can fit 3 luggage but have to open one by one. We had a nice stay, very convenient and only around 5 minutes walk to Nippori train station, Junior Yamanote line. Complete good location. There's an elevator. Clean room. There's enough space to open luggage. Exceptional, near Skyliner station, quiet neighborhood. Exceptional. The staff are helpful and speaks English. You can leave your luggage after checkout. Very near the Junior and Subway station restaurants. Room size is fine, you can still roam around even if your luggage is open compared to other budget hotels. Amenities and free scan care and other products are complete. Exceptional, I would definitely recommend this hotel. Good. Staffs are nice. We booked the wrong type of room, so he changed for us. Self-service facilities are on lobby counter. It's convenient. It's quite a long walk from the station but you can enjoy walking, not in summer. Accessible hotel was near the airport train so you wouldn't need to do train transfers. Staffs were very accommodating. Best price that we got. Nice location, very near to Nippori station. Location. Perfect location. 3 to 5 minutes walk from Nippori station. It's also near 7-Eleven and Family Mart. Staff are nice and attentive. Room has microwave so it's super convenient to reheat foods. They also have coin laundry and vendo on the first floor. Cabinets in the room and Wi-Fi can be improved though.